Aristocrat. Each time we came back, we come into this restaurant. May isang smile. Okay, honey. Smile. My mother, my niece Marianne, and then her boyfriend. Manong Rodi. Manong Rodi, smile. Manong Rodi is a food trip today. Just for today, likely I can upload this maybe later. Okay? Not immediately because of data. Okay? So that's for today. Today is July 5th, 2018. Aristocrat Restaurant, Manila, Philippines.